to use Metronome on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, you have to just open your workout that you are gonna do, click on the two dots, and right now go for Metronome. You have to open it, turn it on with this feature, and here you can find the settings of the Metronome. So for example, you can find the beats, and you can get like for every 4 beats. You can even get the audio reminders with 4 of them, or vibration for example. And you can also set cadence, so the beat rate per minute that you want. Click OK to confirm, and now you have to just click start. And right now, for me, I can feel my vibrations that I just set. If I'm gonna switch for audio, so it will just be like that. It's not working right now. Let's do this one more time. Okay, the sound is not working because I just simply turn off the broadcast, so I have to increase, and let's see if it's gonna work right now. Let's start it. Yeah, there's the sound right now, we can hear it.